On Wednesday, Aam Aadmi Party leader Bhagwant Singh Mann was sworn in as Punjab Chief Minister in Khatkar Kalan. Mann said the people of the state took oath with him to fulfil Bhagat Singh and Babasaheb Ambedkar's dream. This new government is for all. I urge all new elected MLAs not to be arrogant. It's not only about winning votes. The Aam Aadmi Party defends martyrs' values. Thanks to everyone and Aam Aadmi Party convenor Arvind Kejriwal. Punjab di Aan, Baan or Shaan Sardar. The Aam Aadmi Party tweeted congratulating Mann. The swearing-in ceremony was an Aam Aadmi Party exclusive event. No other chief ministers attended the oath-taking ceremony besides Kejriwal. The CM-designate in a video message issued earlier invited the people of the state for his oath-taking ceremony, encouraging men to wear yellow turbans and yellow dupattas for women for the ceremony.
ਵੀਰ ਦੋਸਤ ਉਹ ਸਿਰ ਤੇ ਬਸੰਤੀ ਰੰਗ ਦੀ ਪੱਗ ਬੰਨਣਾ ਤੇ ਭੈਣਾਂ ਸਿਰ ਤੇ ਬਸੰਤੀ ਰੰਗ ਦਾ ਦੁਪੱਟਾ ਚੁੰਨੀ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਉਣਾ ਨਾ ਭੁੱਲਣਾ।
The Aam Aadmi Party has won 92 seats in the 117-member Punjab Assembly, disseminating the Congress and the Shiromani Akali Dal Bahujan Samaj Party combined.